Bagong level ng nail care experience ang binuksan sa Clark Freeport, Pampanga, hatid ang authentic Japanese techniques, premium products at detailed craftsmanship. Nitong April 27, matagumpay na idinaos ang grand opening ng The Lange Japanese Beauty and Wellness Salon. Naging makulay at makahulugan ang okasyon na pinangunahan ni The Lange President and CEO Coco Laus, Attorney Jermaine Laus, dating BM Mons Laus, Tess at Carissa Laus ng Laus Group of Companies at iba pa nilang kaanak. Guest of honor naman si CDC President and CEO Attorney Agnes VST de Venadera, habang naroon din si BOC Clark District Collector Jairus Reyes, Bacolor Vice Mayor Ron Dungca, at iba pang mga opisyal bilang suporta sa paglulunsad ng naturang world-class facility. Hango ang konsepto nito sa Salon de Lange na in-establish ni Mina Koyama, isang multi-awarded Japanese nail artist at may Level 1 certification mula sa Japan Nails Association. Ito ang kauna-unahang outlet sa labas ng Nagoya at Tokyo sa Japan.
ドランジェは本物の日本の価値を届けたいという思いから生まれたサロンです。日本のおもてなし、繊細で丁寧な技術、そして安全性と信頼性の高い製品、その全てにこだわっております。またドランジェで使用しているジェルブラシは私自身がプロデュースしたオリジナルプロダクトです。全て日本製にこだわり、完成まで細部にこだわって徹底的に作り上げた商品になります。品質、安全性ともに心から自信を持ってお届けできるものです。
Specialty ng The Lange ang masusing nail care process, precision techniques, at mga produktong gawa sa Japan na idinisenyo upang mapanatiling healthy ang natural nails and skin. Handog nila ang beauty and safety sa bawat serbisyo.
フィリピンと日本のネイルにはいくつか大きな違いがあります。まず、ジェルを塗る前のケアの丁寧さです。そして爪のフォルムを整え、美しく見せるための技術。さらに大きな違いは製品力になります。日本の弱酸性にこだわった製品は爪や皮膚に負担をかけない仕上がりになります。自分の爪を守りながら美しさを保つことができます。私はこう考えています。美しさは健康の上に成り立つと。これが私が日本で大切にしてきたネイルの考え方です。
Pero bukod sa pagdadala ng authentic Japanese nail care sa bansa, may mas malalim umano na layunin ang The Lange. Ani Coco Laus, hangad nilang mapaunlad ang kakayahan ng mga Pilipinong nail tech at nail artist at maitaas ito sa global standards.
Because what we really want to promote here is not just the product alone, but to actually elevate the skills of our Philippine manicurists. So gusto natin na mabigyan sila ng value appreciation and to actually elevate their skills on a global scale. So napakadali lang ng ginawa ko nung una, nag-chat GPT nga lang ako. Teka lang, ano ba ang best manicure in the world? Bakit merong differences? Russian, Japanese? And eventually I was able to research na chat GPT mismo nagsabi, sabi Japanese. So that's why we were really encouraged to bring Japanese nail care here in the Philippines, not just the nail care, but also the gels, the brushes, the stickers, we produce it po mismo. So there's a lot of unlearning and we know that we still have a lot of work to do to actually prove our point and to explain the difference.
Para naman kay CDC President and CEO Agnes VST de Venadera, higit pa sa simpleng serbisyo ang hatid ng salon, kundi isang anyo ng sining na pinagsama ang Japanese artistry at Filipino craftsmanship. Dagdag din ito anya sa mga lumalawak na hanay ng negosyo sa loob ng Clark.
Natuwa nga ako kasi nung nakita ko The Lange, Nagoya, Tokyo, Clark. O ano, 'di ba? They take pride. So we take pride also. And yung nakita ko, hindi akala natin, sige, parang skills. Sige, lagay-lagay. Hindi eh. It's a work of art. They are putting their soul in. And we are lucky But I think they're also very lucky, the Japanese, because it's now a combination of the artistry of the Japanese and the craftsmanship of the Filipinos. We welcome this kind of businesses and the line of businesses that will cater to all the needs of the people who are here and of the community.
Bukas na ang pinto ng The Lange Japanese Beauty and Wellness para sa mga gustong maka-experience ng gold standards sa nail care. Located ito sa ground floor ng One West Aeropark Clark Global City, Clark Freeport, Pampanga. For more details and updates, bisitahin at i-follow ang kanilang social media pages.
I hope you get to try the lunch. Come visit our first branch here in the Philippines at One West Aeropark. We chose Clark because first, not only that I'm a Kapampangan, but we see a lot of potential in Clark, the community, and everybody else.
Kasama si Jody Dizon Mercado, Arlen Salonga, CLTV 36 News.